In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to use the Split by Item button on the point of sale. Now before we get going, it's important to know that there are two ways you can use this button. The first way is you can move items from one member's chit over to another member's chit. And the second way is you can split one single item amongst multiple members, which is very common if the members want to purchase something like a bottle of wine and split that amongst multiple members. So let's go over the first option here, which is moving items from one chit to another. So for this one, we'll click on our table and choose our member. After that, we'll choose a few items to put onto the chit, and then we'll use the Split by Item button. In the screen, what you can do is you can click on the items that you want to move over to that other member. So let's say we'll move this item, then just click on that other chit. And all those other chits default as cash chits or guest chits. If you'd like to assign that to a certain member, you can always click on that cash name and then choose that member number. And now this chit is assigned to the new member. If you'd like to move any other items over, simply click on that item and move it over to that chit. And now you have the option down below to split this, split and print, split and walk away, which is logging out, or split, walk away and print. Or down below, you have all the same options, but with a member charge added. So split and member charge, split member charge and print, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and split this, and now we can see that there's multiple chits on this table. Both of those members are now there, and we can see that those items have been moved to that other member's chit. So now let's take a look at the second way of using the Split by Item button. So for the second option, let's take a look at how we can split one item amongst multiple members. So for this, we'll click on our table and select our member. And now we'll click on a few items, and I'm going to add a bottle of wine to this chit. And then we'll hit the Split by Item button. Now once you're on this screen, since my members want to split just that one item, what we're going to do is we're going to go down below and we'll click Split an Item. And now, just like it says, select the item to split. So my members want to split this item. And now what you have to do is you have to click on the chits that you want to split it amongst. So I want to split it amongst this member right here. And I also want to split it amongst this member. And so as you can see, the more you click, the more it splits out that item. If I want to split it amongst three members, I can always click on another chit and it splits it amongst three members. Once you're done, just click the Done button down below. And now you can see, since I split it amongst three members, it's 0.33 quantity for each one of those members. So now, just like we saw before, you can always click on that Cash Chit button if it's not a guest, enter in that member number, same with my third member, and then it's up to you how you split these chits. You can use the split, split and print, split walk away and print, or the same options down below with the member charge. So I'm going to go ahead and split these out. And now we have multiple chits on that table. And if we take a look at one of those chits, now we can see that one item was divided up equally amongst those three members.